support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. Are you ready to get to know the latest Avanza? No need to wait any longer. Let's look at the specifications of the all-new Avanza part by part. First, we will look at the exterior design of the third generation of the Avanza. The body design of the latest new Avanza is indeed more fantastic than the initial version and also the second generation. From the front, you will be treated to the new, more modern face of the Avanza. Get the latest updates about all new Toyota, all new Honda, and others. Please subscribe this channel. Toyota has installed a new headlamp design on the new Avanza. If the previous version of the Avanza had a boomerang-shaped headlight design, this time Toyota has introduced a headlight design with the new Sharp LED headlamp concept. Apart from that, the new Avanza also has a new radiator grille design, which is larger and bolder than the older Avanza.